Hello viewers, it's just Tech. Today I'm going to show you 5 best cool ideas to make your computer cool down. For the first step, ensure proper ventilation and surface. Never place your laptop on soft surface like beds, pillows or couches, as these materials block the air intake, vents and trap heat. Always use a laptop on hard, flat surface such as a desk or a table to allow proper air circulations. If a solid surface is not available, then what you have to do is elevate the back of your laptop slightly using a book or a small box or dedicated laptop stand. This is the first trick. Now second trick is that clean the vents and fans regularly. Dust and debris accumulate in the vents and internal fans over time, which severely restricts airflow and causes heat to build up. So that you have to turn off your laptop, unplug it, and use a can of compressed air to blow the dust out of the vents. Do this regularly, perhaps once a month, to maintain efficient cooling. If you are comfortable opening a laptop, you can more effectively clean the internal components and fan blades. Otherwise, you have to consult to a professional technician. Okay guys? Now, third number is that use a laptop cooling pad. Cooling pad is an accessory with a built-in fan that plugs into your laptop by USB and provides additional airflow to dissipate heat more efficiently than internal fans alone. Invest in a quality cooling pad, especially if you frequently perform resource-intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. Ensure the cooling pads fans align with your laptop's intake vents for optimal results. Okay guys, you can search in the Alibaba or Amazon.com or in your local market also. Buy a cooling pad, use it and make your laptop cool down, okay? The fourth number is manage background processes and adjust power settings. The harder your CPU and GPU work, the more heat they generate, so reducing the workload can significantly lower the temperature. Use your operating system task manager. Press Ctrl Shift Escape. Then if you find out anything that is not using in your task manager, then right click and click the end task. Okay, then I have to go to the start of apps. Click that, and if you find any unnecessary app, you can disable like this. I have disabled here so many applications. Okay, this also makes the computer cool down. The next is adjust your power setting, balance or power saver. Okay, go to the search bar and type power plan. Edit power plan. Okay, search on the search bar. Then after go to here and go power option, then create a power plan. Here you can choose balanced or power saver. I'm selecting balanced. Select balance and next and create new. And so you can create a power plan. Okay, this also makes the computer cool down. The fifth number is to ensure the room environment is cool. Your laptop's cooling system relies on the surrounding air to dissipate heat, or operating in a hot room or direct sunlight makes it much harder for a laptop to stay cool. Use a laptop in a cool, well-ventilated area. Okay guys? In hot weather, turn on a fan or air conditioning to lower the ambient temperature around the device. Take a regular breaks from long working or gaming sessions to allow your laptop time to rest and cool down. Okay, you have to take some rest for a laptop also. Shut down a laptop and after keeps about 30 or 40 minutes for rest and again turn on and you can work. And these are the 5 cool hacks to keep your laptop cool. Okay guys, if you like my videos then to follow, share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.